What's going on, illustrators? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best drawing tablets in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these tablets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first drawing tablet we're going to show you today is the Wacom Cintiq 22 drawing tablet. Next up, we've got the Wacom Intuos Pro drawing tablet. The third drawing tablet we're going to show you today is the Artist's 12 Pro drawing tablet by XP Pen. Next up, we've got the GAOMON 15.6-inch drawing tablet. Last but not least, we've got the Huion H610 Pro V2 graphic drawing tablet. Alright, illustrators, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which drawing tablets you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.